Guys, there we have a OPPO A17 and today I will show you how you can make your phone louder. So we'll start from the opening the settings. Now go to the sound section, sound and vibration, and go down to the real sound technology. This is equalizer and you can check every from this mode and keep the loudest one. That's it from the phone settings, and now I will show you one of app to boost your volume power. I choose that one. How that it looks in the Google Store. So we have to open it. No thanks, no thanks, no thanks. And close window. Now click OK, and how you can see by this little slider, you can increase and decrease a boost of your speaker. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.